Here's Brad Pitt's Oscar method. Transform your business into stardom success. So you've got the stats and you've got energy, but do you have the secret weapon? No, I don't think you do. Here's where physical communication technology comes into play. Hi, I'm Kerry Ruff, your growth and resilience strategist. Think of it like this: your business training regime that hones these skills. Number one, sharpen your focus. In the movie Moneyball, Brad Pitt's movie, it's all about on-base percentage in this baseball. But it's about understanding your customers. For you, it's understanding the customer's core needs and core desires. So use data-driven insights to target your efforts where they count the most. Second, your dream team. Brad Pitt's character, Billy Beane, didn't just get the flashiest players. He had to get the right players. So build your team that complements each other's strengths and shares in your vision for success. Billy Beane, his character, flipped the traditional baseball thing into a cyber metrics. And you can do that same thing with physical communication technology and customer engagement that sets you apart from the competition. Practice resilience. Every underdog faces a setback. So use physical communication technology for this resilience on this team that pushes you forward. Next, connect emotionally. This is it. Here it is. In the end, this movie isn't about baseball. It's about passion and perseverance. So use PCT, physical communication technology, to create an emotional connection with your audience. Share your journey, your challenges, and your victories. Make your brand story one that your customers want to be a part of. With PCT, as your coach, you're not just playing the game. Come on, man, you're changing the game. You're changing it. So let's get moving differently. Let's connect and let's win it together. In the game of business, it's not just about scoring points. It's about winning hearts. And isn't that the true victory? Huh? Yeah, I think so. Keep moving your energy differently. I'm Kerry Ruff.